Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can crossfade audio on Spotify. Super simple. You are just going to select this bit right here, which is your profile. Go to settings, scroll down until you find crossfade, which is here. So enable it, and I just choose like 5 seconds. And my favorite songs to crossfade is, where is it? Somewhere down here, is Washing Machine Heart to Money So Big to Quiet. These are my top 3 songs to crossfade, so make sure it's in this order. It's like 1, 2, 3. So that is basically how you can crossfade songs on Spotify. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!